Let's kick it off with JavaScript. It's like the wild, wild west of coding. Imagine you're a cowboy or cowgirl free to roam the vast plains of the web development world. JavaScript is your trusty steed, as straightforward as talking to your grandma about her favorite knitting patterns. It's easy to learn, and the limits are virtually non-existent. You can do almost anything with it. Plus, being fluent in JavaScript is like having a universal passport for web development. You're part of the cool kids club. But here's the twist. It's the Wild West after all, so there are no sheriffs around to maintain order. Without proper type checking, you could end up in a place that developers dread, the infamous Callback Hell. But don't worry, it's all part of the adventure. After all, what's a cowboy or cowgirl without a few thrilling stories to tell around the campfire? Now let's put on our fancy developer hats and talk about TypeScript. It's like the butler in a grand mansion, always proper and well-dressed. TypeScript brings a sense of decorum to the party that is coding. It adds structure and discipline to your code, making it a well-organized masterpiece. Think of it as having a personal tutor who corrects your grammar, ensuring the elegance of your code. The real charm of TypeScript is its ability to catch errors before they even happen. It's like a psychic that sees into the future of your code, and IntelliSense is your new best friend, guiding you through the maze of coding. But hold your monocles. It can be a bit strict. Writing types can feel like you're signing a legal document, and it might take a little more time to get used to. Also, it's like having that grammar-obsessed teacher who won't let you use slang. Now, the million-dollar question, who should use what and when? Well, let's imagine you're a beginner or working on a small project. You're in a race, and you need to move swiftly. In this case, JavaScript is your trusty steed. It's like the training wheels on a bike, helping you learn to balance without the extra rules. Plus, it's great for creating prototypes when you need to move at the speed of light. On the other hand, if you're working on a larger project with a team, TypeScript is your knight in shining armor. It's like a well-structured library. It keeps everyone on the same page, reducing the chances of chaos. Think of it as the gentleman's choice for building robust applications. In the end, it's all about your project, your goals, and your coding style. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. JavaScript is for the free spirits, and TypeScript is for the organized geniuses. And that's a wrap, fellow coders. Thanks for joining us in this light-hearted battle of JavaScript versus TypeScript in React.js. We've galloped through the wild west of JavaScript, where freedom reigns supreme, and the code is as straightforward as a chat with your grandma. We've also strolled through the grand mansion of TypeScript, where structure and discipline are the name of the game, and your code is as tidy as a butler's pantry. The choice between JavaScript and TypeScript, it's all about you, your project, your goals, and your coding style. Remember, JavaScript is perfect for those quick, small-scale projects and beginners. TypeScript, on the other hand, is a dream for larger projects and teams, creating a well-structured library of code. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep coding. Whether you're a free spirit or an organized genius, there's a place for you in the great showdown of JavaScript versus TypeScript. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coding adventures. Until next time, happy coding.